Erewhon is 1999p Washington quarter with Georgia reverse from COİN's collection. Coin most likely at extremely fine condition. Circulating commemorative coin from United States Mint, 50-state quarters program. Oversight features left profile of George Washington, while on the reverse a peach against the state's geographical outline is accompanied with two live oak sprigs paying homage to the official state tree. The 1999 Georgia Quarter was a forced design issued in the 50 states quarter program. With the struck Georgia Quarters were officially released on July 19, 1999. They are pretty common and get only scarcer at mid-state 67 and higher. At mid-state 68 they are worth hundreds of dollars. For example, this example at mentioned condition was sold for $282 at heritage auctions. In 1999, San Francisco Mint also issued Georgia Quarters, but they were proof and were struck with special care on a silver planchet. This is one of the most expensive silver specimens so far. Great SPR 70 Deep Cameo by PCGS. Razor-sharp design features display bright mint frost as a jet black field impart fathomless depths of reflectivity. This piece is clean and unmarked on both verse and reverse. It was sold for $6,037.50, also at heritage auctions. I would also like to show this extremely rare specimen 1999 Georgia Quarter struck on experimental gold planchet. Rate at mid-state 67 by PCGS. During 1999, golden alloys for a proposed Sacagawea dollar were tested at U.S. Mint. Rare examples of Philadelphia Mint quarters such on golden alloy planchets are known for each of 5 1999 state quarter designs. The present coin differs from experimental planchet Delaware, Pennsylvania quarters in that the color is bright lemon gold and consistent throughout. In addition, the rims are well formed and there is no spreading on E pluribus unum. A razor-sharp strike contributes further to the eye appeal. Sold on January 10, 2024, $7,200 at heritage auctions.